Back. So let's talk about what's happening now in Android 2024. So let's know about what's happening in the world of Android app development. So what we're going to talk about, we're going to talk about Android 15 beta 4, Samsung Galaxy Unpacked events, Google Play new collection features, security enhancements, and Android X updates. So this will be the key topic that we will be discussing here. So let's jump directly to the topic. So what about Android 15 beta? So as you can see here, Android 15 beta 4.2 version was released in Android 2024. So this latest beta of Android 15 is now available. Okay, so bringing stability and final APIs for developers to test and integrate into their applications. So what are the notable changes that includes? That is the removal of the legacy module font. So Android is deprecating the older module font APIs. Okay, so developers should migrate to the newer font family APIs for loading the fonts. So this ensures better performance and consistency across the platforms. So this is the one of the interesting features. And there is also predictive back animations, like Android 15 introduces the predictive back animation, allowing users to preview the destination screens while performing back gestures. So this enhances the user experience by providing a visual cue of the transitions. To support predictive back animations, ensure your app uses the default back navigation behavior and avoids custom transitions that might conflict with the system animation. So there is the third feature notable changes, that is like you have a low light boost for photography. So the camera framework receives the improvements in low light conditions. The systems can now capture more light and detail in dark scenes, resulting in a better image quality. Okay, so developers can leverage these enhancements by using the latest Camera X APIs and ensuring their camera apps are optimized for different lighting conditions. And the fourth one is like you have a variable font for CJK languages. Okay, so Android 15 introduces a new variable font for CJK, that is Chinese, Japanese, or Korean languages. This font allows for greater flexibility in typography, enabling developers to adjust font weights and width while maintaining visual harmony. You have to consider using this new font in your apps to provide more refined and adaptable users experience for the Chinese, Japanese, and Korean languages. So the final notable changes that you can check out is like, beside this Android 15 beta changes, there are numerous bug fixes, performance optimization, and under the hood improvements for enhancing the platform stability. So this beta cycle focuses on providing a solid foundation for developers to finalize their app compatibility testing and ensuring a smooth transitions for users when the final version is released. Okay, so this is all about Android 15 new release. Okay, which was released recently in August. And okay, now let's focus on the another interesting thing that is happening now in Android app development is like Samsung Galaxy's Unpacked event. As you can see here, this Samsung Galaxy Unpacked official event, you can just check out from the website. You can just grab the video here. So what is the things that's happening here is like new Samsung foldables and wearables were announced. So Samsung Galaxy Unpacked events introduced this new foldable phones, likely the Galaxy Jet Fold 5 and Jet Flip 5, and wearables probably the Galaxy Watch 6 series. Okay, these devices offer unique form factors and capabilities. So you have an optimized app for foldables. Like developers should ensure their apps adapt seamlessly to foldable screens, leveraging features like flex mode and multi-window support for an enhanced user experience. So let's get ready for the Wear OS 5 also. We have a Wear OS 5, right? So as you can see here, Galaxy Z Fold 6, you have a so there were many interesting Galaxy Z Flip 6. So we have the latest version of Wear OS bringing new features and improvement. Developers need to update their wearable apps to compatibility and take advantage of the latest advancement. Okay, so you can also build adaptive apps. So with the growing variety of screen sizes and devices types, developers should focus on bringing adaptive apps that scale gracefully across different form factors, providing an optimal user experience on any device. So Samsung likely provides a tool, documentation and supports to help the developers optimize their app for the new devices and software updates, as you can see here. So you can just check out for further information in this website. So now we also have another interesting thing that is happening recently. Is like Google Play new collection features. So Google Play new collection features is a way to showcase your app's content in an organized group directly on a Play Store. So here's the background. So you can what is this Google Play new collection. So this is like a curated list of in-app items and features. This could be anything from new levels in a game to special deals in a shopping app. So they act as themed shelves within your app placed listing store listing. So how it works is like you organized your in-app content into different collections. Example like new arrivals, top rated, editors choices. Okay, so users can then access this collection through a Google Play Store widget on their home screen. That's pretty it is. And what are the benefits of using this Google Play new collection feature? Is like it provides you the improved discoverability, so that makes it easier for users to find interesting content within your app. So there is also increased engagement, like encourages users to explore different parts of your app, interact with the new features. And then you have also a better user experience that provides a more organized and accessible way for users to browse your app offerings. And you also have some new security enhancements, like Android application knowledge security knowledge base. This is like a central hub of informations about common security vulnerabilities that can pop up in Android code. So it's like an encyclopedia of security issues. So like example, you might find articles about vulnerabilities related to improper data storage, like insecure networks, communications, or missing permission checks. So remediation is like the best part is that each article provides clear explanation of the problem and shows how to fix this with code example. So to make like there is also Android Studio integration to make this the Android application security knowledge base even more useful in Android Studio. The tools is now built into Android apps now directly linked to it. So security linked checks, like Android Studio already had features that scan your code for potential security issues. Like now when it finds a problem, it can directly point you to the relevant articles in the knowledge base. So this makes it super easy to understand the issue and learn how to fix it. So also furthermore, we have Android releases. So Android X releases. So Android X, several stable releases for Android X libraries has been released recently in 2024. That is including the Wear proto layouts, like Wear tiles, game activity, games, text input, games framing, pricing, paging, annotation, media collection, transitions, lifecycle fragments, activity, work manager, and compose compiler. So yeah, so this is it. You can just check out the documentation, and this was where my top list of what's recently happening in Android right now in 2024. Thank you guys.